Hello, great minds. Good day to you all. Today, we want to look at bash scripting once again, and our focus today, we want to look at user interaction using in bash scripting. How can a user interact in bash scripting? From our previous video, please launch your Kali Linux as usual. Launch your VirtualBox, then your VirtualBox, launch your Kali Linux. Launch your Kali Linux here. Launch your Kali Linux. So we are now in our terminal. From our previous class, we learned about variables, data types, and the basic commands in bash scripting, or how to carry out bash scripting. Today we want to, as I said, we want to look at user interaction. Let me just show you something and you see how it is. Let's say we have, let's call it nano. Let's create a file, touch user, I'll call it user interaction .sh. We nano it. Now your bash declaration bin /bash. Okay, so for example, from our previous class, when we talk about basic command, if we do pwd ls cd or whatever it is, or let's say ls and so on and so forth. Now you can see if we run this command, let's save, control shift save, we'll change the permission, we'll change the permission chmod plus x, enter, change the permission. If you run this command like this, it will do pws and do ls for us. But what if we actually get it in a user interaction? We'll ask the user to enter any command. And the user enter any command, it will automatically run that command for the person. So let us see how this works. Let's see how this works. Now let us say we enter here. We say we echo enter any command. Enter any command. For example, I will now say read. Now the user interaction, the main user interaction that actually is called read. That is the command that you can use. That is the command that you can use to get a user input or a user interaction. So you will now say read. Let's say command, then followed by the variable name. We'll call the variable name command. So we say or command. We'll now say what? Echo what? Echo $command. Now this command, this script, what it will do is that it will prompt a user to enter any command, and when the user enter a command, it will execute such command for the user. Let's save again, enter. Now let's clear the terminal. Let's run the script. We say run the script. You see now it says enter any command. I do ls. I press enter. It will what? It will do ls for us. Okay. Let's see. This is not what we are waiting for. Okay. Okay. The command here where we are having challenge was. Here, the command here should not be echo. This should be EVA. EVA means it's used. EVA is a command that used to execute whatever command the person enters. So let us run the program and see. Let's enter. Let's clear the terminal. If I say /user this, say enter. A person will enter any command. I'll do what? ls. You see that ls will run the command. If you run it again, the person will enter pwd. So you see that the command anytime will, any command the person enter, it will run it for the person. I say echo So echo, let's run it again. I say echo, how are you? Echo, how are you? It will execute the command, how are you? If I say whatever you want it to do for you, it will actually do for you. If I say what else will do? Echo, let's run the command again. I say cd dot cd, let's say cd, let's say touch. We'll set the command to touch anything. Let's say touch new file .txt. The command will do for us. So that is example of look at it here, ls. So this one example way, this one way we can actually use a user interaction. Now let us look at another way where user interaction is important. Let us comment out this program here. Let's comment this. Remember commenting. So let's comment this program. Let's do another one called let's say echo. Now another way to actually use user interaction is to use read. The best practice use -p. You will say enter your name. Enter your name. They give you the variable name. A variable name. Enter your name. Read again. Read -p. Enter your course of study. Enter your course of study. Let's call it course. Read. Enter your registration. Enter your registration number. Let's call it reg number. Read. Enter your system ID. Cool. Let's call it ID. Now we can echo this. Now let's say echo. If you say echo $name, echo $course, echo $regnum, echo $ID. If you save all, let's save it. Sorry, let's save. Let's clear the terminal. Let's run the command again. Now you say enter your name. Let's say I say got there. Say enter your course of study. Where the issue? There's an issue somewhere. Let's say cyber security. Say enter your reg number. Let's say 01. Enter your system ID. You see that it gave us what got there. This now there's an issue somewhere. So let us go and check where the challenge is. Maybe in the naming of in the naming. So let us see where the challenge is. So let us nano and see where the challenge is in this. Okay, so look at where the challenge is here. There is no space. There is no space between this and this. So give a space. So let's enter. Go back again. Clear the terminal, and then let's see. Sorry. let's execute the command. You say enter your name. I say good day. Enter your course of study, cyber security. Enter your reg number 01. Enter your system ID. I say this. So you can see echo or got the cyber security 01 and so on and so forth. What if you want to modify this output? Want to modify this part output? I can come here and say hello. I'll first of all say echo. Let's modify it. Hello. Hello. Thanks for joining us. I say echo again. Echo dash echo something. I want to echo. I can put anything. I say data, biodata. This is just this one. This symbol does not mean anything, just a style, just styling. So it will echo your name is name. Another one I can say name. Name is this. Let's say course of study. Course of study is this. The registration number, put it in a string. Please remember to put it in a string. Registration number is this. So enclose it. System ID. System ID. After this I can say echo. Okay, let's leave it like this. Let's save this and see the output. Let's play the terminal. Let's say enter, run the script again. Enter your name. I say good day. Course of study, cyber security. Registration number 0102 ID. Now, where is the error? In line 17, say hello, thank you for joining us. So where the line 17? Let's see. Line 17. Let's see where the error is. So let's say left minus post minus C. Now line 17, line 17, let's check it out. Okay, this is where line 17 is. Okay, this is where the error is. We didn't close this thing here. We didn't close it here. We didn't close it. So you just seen everything as if it is still open. So let's check. We didn't close this. So let's save it. Let's run the program again. Enter your name. Godday. Cyber security 092 ID. This. Look at it now. Hello, thank you for joining us. Biodata, name, Godday, course of study this, registration number this, system ID this. So this is what user input is. You can prompt the user to enter anything. We'll see how to make use of user input as we continue. We'll continue to make use of user input. Thank you very much and see you in our next class. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. My name is Godday Ocheme. I am a cybersecurity educator and ethical hacker. Thank you.